ceviche, a 2,000-year-old technique stemming from Peru. The preparation originally used the juice from a passion fruit named tumbo, which was commonly found within the region. However, today's ceviche typically uses the juice from citrus, such as lime. The process is simple. Seafood such as scallops, fish, shrimp, or lobster is diced and tossed in a marinade made from onion, tomatoes, and lime juice. After sitting in the marinade for 20 minutes or so, the acidity begins to denature the protein networks of the flesh, turning them opaque and firm. This process ensures that the seafood is essentially cooked and safe to eat. Now, once the fish is done marinating, other ingredients can be included such as cilantro, avocado, and cucumber. It's then traditionally served in a cocktail glass. However, today we'll be presenting it a little differently. So now that you understand the basics, let's get started. So here's our lovely raw shrimp, and to prepare for our ceviche, we'll simply slice into half-inch pieces like so. And here's our mise en place for the marinade: our diced shrimp, half a lime, 1 grated clove of garlic, and a tablespoon of diced red onion. After our shrimp is done marinating, here's a few other items which will be added: an avocado, some diced cherry tomatoes and jalapeno, as well as some chopped cilantro. We'll add our shrimp into a bowl along with the onion and garlic. We'll then squeeze over the lime juice, add a teaspoon of olive oil, followed by a good pinch of salt and some black pepper. I'll mix this well to combine. And as you can see, the shrimp is already beginning to cook as it's turning red, and this is from the acidity in our lime. We'll cover and place in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour, making sure to stir it every so often. Now after 1 hour, here's our shrimp, and you essentially want it to look cooked on the outside, which is how you know it's done. I'll add in the tomatoes and jalapeno, diced avocado, and chopped cilantro. I'll then bring this all together. We'll taste for seasoning and adjust if necessary. I'll taste again, and this was perfect. I'll add a ring mold in the center of a large white plate. Then we'll layer in our ceviche, making sure we serve a generous amount here. I'll garnish with a few more cilantro leaves. And here's our beautiful shrimp ceviche. I'll drizzle on some olive oil and follow that with a pinch of salt. Now we can finally dig in. This ceviche was fresh, spicy, and tangy, and it took me back to vacations in Mexico. So that's it. Ceviche is super simple and a perfect meal on hot summer days. Remember to experiment with all kinds of seafood and not just shrimp, such as cod, lobster, and scallops. Also, when plating with a ring mold, always make sure that the ingredients can bind together or else they won't hold once the ring mold is removed. In the next lesson, we'll be doing something a little more refined with our shrimp, as well as showcasing one of my favorite cooking techniques when it comes to seafood. Bye for now.